We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Rockwall County, northern Johnson County, southern Denton County, Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis County, Collin County, and Dallas County until 9:30. The severe thunderstorm line is located along a line from Salina back to DFW Airport to north of Fort Worth, all the way out to Abilene, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Multiple 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts have been reported with this line. This storm may produce 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. It is not likely to produce large hail, but briefly heavy rains. Once again, a new severe thunderstorm warning is up for western Rockwall County, northern Johnson County, southern Denton County, Tarrant County, northwestern Ellis County, Collin County, and Dallas County until 9:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.